Hello guys, myself Sumit. Welcome to my newly created YouTube channel TechSci. This is my first video in which I will going to show you how to create number of configurations in SolidWorks by use of Excel sheet. Also I will show you how to use free online software to make your work easy and fast. For example, I will choose hex head bolt model. As you can see here, I have a PDF file in which M5 to M36 dimensions are given, but this file we cannot directly extract into SolidWorks. We first need to convert this file into Excel. So for that I will use free online softwares. I will type free PDF to Excel converter. Here you can drop your PDF file. Now it is asking me for basic and pro version. Obviously in pro version he will ask me for payment. I will go with basic only. It will take some time to convert. Yes, file is converted. You can download. Okay, as you can see here, file is downloaded. As you can see, PDF is converted into Excel. Now our next step is to make this part in SolidWorks. Also we need to give this naming to each feature in SolidWorks. Sketch, top plane, make one circle, let's say 5 mm. As you can see here, you can give the name for this 5 mm dimension as a D, but I will give the names in later stage, because if anyone has already available model, then it will be easy to understand. Take 10 mm length height, make a sketch, hexagonal, constrain this. I will give across the flat 8. For every dimension you can give names, but I will give later stage. Height will be 3.5 mm. Now our M5 hex head bolt is ready. Now it's time to give names for each dimensions. we have to give these names over there: D, C, A. Here this dimension will be D. Length is not given in PDF, but we can assume. This is C, and last across the flat is A. Now all the names has been given. Go to the insert, table, design table. First we need to auto create Excel from SolidWorks. Here is asking me to which dimensions you want in design table. You can see D, L, A, which names we have given, that all are comes here. We need all. Now the Excel is generated. Just right click outside the Excel box. You can see your Excel sheet over here as a design table. Right click on this and save the table. Here is asking me for color description, but right now we don't need this. You can save this file as a design table. Okay, this is the design table which is extracted from SolidWorks. We need to put all the D, L, A and C values over here from this converted file. So I have already created my Excel. As you can see, all the data I have entered here. For length, I have considered 5 mm increment, 10, 15, 20, 25. All other data as per the PDF. These are the names which will be seen on configuration. We can close this file. Go to SolidWorks. Now delete previous design table. Now again go to insert, tables, design table. Now you have to choose from file option instead of auto create. Here you can browse your file. You can see the data is extracted. Just right click out of the box, left click. Now here it's showing design table generated for the following configurations, and you can see all the configuration has been generated: M10, M12, M14. You can check. Hope you like my video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. Thank you.